So, hi dear Capricorn, very, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a 7 day, 7 oracle messages for all the Capis, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising from today till the 24th of May 2026. Keep in mind, these are general messages. They might or might not resonate with you. If they does, good. If they don't worry about it. Just let it be. And for personal reading healing session, check out the description box. You'll find the links below for tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono masterclass. Also, links are given below. So let's start the overall energy for Capricorn people for this week. So I have the Nine of Ariel. Your dreams are fulfilled. Hard work leads to great success. A love for the beautiful things in life. For some of you, you guys are relocating. I know it's not the message here. You guys are relocating to a much more calm or peaceful place. Or you guys are doing something with the interiors or something that is going to make your environment much more peaceful, beautiful, bright, and loving according to your taste. Something is going to be fulfilled, some kind of dream is going to be fulfilled, whether you are taking a home, whether you are creating a beautiful environment or something really beautiful. Your hard work is going to lead to great success in the coming future, and your love for beautiful things in life is going to increase, meaning your heart chakra energy is going to open up. We have for today, we have the epiphany, joy through spiritual growth. For some of you, spiritual growth is happening, and that is going to give you immense joy and pleasure and happiness. Be a light to others. If you have gone through something in your life and if you know how to help others, just try to be a light to others as much as you can. Help others also. Answers that come through meditation. So you guys will be able to get some kind of answers that you might be seeking for from the outside world through meditation. 19th, we have the Two of Raphael, two hearts dedicated to creating something wonderful. Your energies with your person, with your spouse, with their partners are going to be really very, very beautiful on this particular day. You guys might be planning to do something really beautiful in the coming future. Kindred spirits, there is going to be helpful energies around you. Don't give up on those you love. Please don't give up on those you love. Please don't give up on those people who loves you back, right? So whether it's a romantic connection or romantic energy or otherwise, your connection with your people is going to be really very, very beautiful, but don't give up. Okay. 20th, we have the Seven of Raphael. Time to make a decision. You guys have to make a decision or choice on this particular day. Be clear on what you want. You should have a proper clear cut clarity and understanding of what you really, really want, and take the actions accordingly, inspired actions accordingly, and you guys will be able to get what you want. A need for detoxification, whether it's digital, mental, emotional, or physical. There is a need for detoxification on this day. 18, 19, 20th. 21st, we have the Eight of Gabriel, a great deal of activity. A lot of things are going to happen on this particular day. A lot of shifts and lots of changes. A lot of things will start moving forward. Sudden and immediate results. You guys will be able to get some kind of results in, like, suddenly, unexpectedly, when you will be least expecting to get some kind of results. Important communication. If you guys have to do some kind of important communication, whether it's personal or professional, make sure you are going to do that. And you are not going to delay that or procrastinate it further, because it might not go well if you are not going to take care of it right now. Okay. So we have 18, 19, 20, 21st. 22nd, we have the Empress. Time to act upon your plans. The time has come for you guys to act upon your plans. Just thinking and doing nothing is not going to give you anything good in return. So you guys have to act upon your plans too. Creativity is going to be rewarded. Adding creativity in your work, or getting in touch with your creative side, or getting something done in a creative way is going to give you the kind of results that you're hoping for. Luxurious or abundant resources. Universe is going to bless you with some kind of really beautiful, luxurious and abundant kind of resources. And make sure you guys are not going to take those resources for granted, or you're not going to make it look like, okay, this is something that I am going to get for the rest of my life. So make wise use of these resources. Okay. 18, 19, 20, 21st, 22nd. 23rd, we have the Six of Raphael. Embrace your inner child. Connect with your inner child, Capricorn. You guys might be living a very heavy life lately, or you guys might be living a very serious kind of a life lately. Life is nothing to be taken seriously of. Okay. Life is just a play. It's, even if you're going to take it seriously, nothing is going to change, right? In the sense, stay in touch with your inner child, let things be, let life flow. New friends or rekindled relationship. Either you guys will be able to make new friends, or your connection with your friends is going to be really beautiful. You guys are going to rekindle your relationship with certain people and energies. Something related to children or childhood is going to be of importance on this day. 18, 19, 20, 21st, 22nd, 23rd. 24th, we have the Four of Ariel. When you give, you also receive. When you give with a grateful heart, you also receive with a grateful heart. Okay, when you give with a beautiful positive energy, you also receive blessings from the universe in the similar way. It's all about what you are sending to the universe, what kind of energies and vibrations you're sending to the universe. You are going to get it back accordingly. Universe is actually a mirror. It's neutral. Whatever you are going to throw at the mirror, you are going to get it back. Reflection. Being resistant to change is not going to give you anything good in return, Capricorn. We earth sign people have very difficult time to adapt with the changes, but change is the only constant, and we guys have to keep it reminding to ourselves. Of course, not every earth sign is like that, or every Capricorn is like that, but if you are one of those people for whom comfort is important, even if it sucks, then you guys will not be able to have that kind of growth and expansion and happiness the way you guys want it. Extremes in how you save or spend money. Either you are going to be too much on the spending side, or you are going to be too much on the saving side. You guys have to figure out a middle ground in order to have a balanced kind of approach towards life, towards your money, towards your finances. Okay, let's see the guidance for you guys for this week. The final card, Cappies. I think yours is the shortest reading. I did it da 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 without breathing. Okay, cool. Let's see. Five of Gabriel. A challenge you can resolve. You guys will be able to resolve some kind of challenge in this week. Withdraw from the drama of others. Don't be a part of any kind of drama, especially if it is not directly related to you. Even if it is not indirect, even if it is indirectly related to you, try to stay away from some kind of drama, especially if others are bringing it on the table. Just ignore. Have patience with yourself and those around you. A lot of patience is required for you guys in order to have a good life, a positive life, a happy life. Impulsive energies or impatient energies are actually going to ruin something really beautiful that you guys are making. Like there is something that's going on in the process behind the scenes, maybe. And if you guys are going to ruin it, if you are going to be impulsive or impatient, that might get stuck or delayed or maybe ruined. Patience is the key, my love. Cool. So thank you so much for tuning in, Cappies. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.